Yeah, I came a long way, made 100K, blew it up, made it all back in one day. Paying for the words I say, I know it ain't straight, but I made it big.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? As you can see from the intro, we're gonna be doing our first denim DIY. I already got some of the process started already. I cut out the flare panels and I had started taking apart the jeans so that I could add it onto there. So I'm not gonna make this no like tutorial because I'm really in no position to be trying to teach nobody how to do nothing when it comes to the sewing stuff. But I will take y'all on the journey of me doing it though. Alright y'all, so I'm finished doing the whole, what's it called? I think it's an overcast stitch because that's what the foot is called for the sewing machine. I mean, I finished doing it. I don't know how perfect it is. Nah, I'm done with that, so now I'm about to just clip this up to the jeans, you know, put these two pieces together. Alright, so now that I got this side pinned up, I'm gonna just sew this on, and then I got one pants leg mostly done. I just gotta like sew that together, like the top extra part that I had to undo to make sure I had enough space to do it. But y'all see the flare panel is on, but yeah, I can't see it on. Y'all see it is on, but I do gotta go to practice. So next clip I will be in a different outfit, respectfully. I'm gonna come back when I'm done with both panels. So yeah, y'all see where I'm at next time. It's been about a week since the last clip. I did finish putting the outseam flare on the jeans. I'm about to start doing the inseam flare, but I started having a little bit more ideas and things I want to do with these jeans because, you know, as I said, like these gonna be just like kind of like my first DIY and everything. So I'm still gonna do the inseam and all that, but I want to try to make like a double pocket. So I want to like do like a double pocket design kind of thing on the back. Everything else is pretty much the same. Now drama iPad, I'm fraud. As y'all could hear, I'm kind of sick, so don't mind that. I'm gonna try to like make a pattern for like a back pocket real quick. That's what I'm about to try to do, because not gonna lie, I feel like this might be like probably the hardest part. I'm gonna try to just do this and hopefully it don't take too long so I can get started on this inseam flare. I'm not gonna say that I made the pocket perfectly. I know I traced the pocket exactly and I didn't like leave no space for like a seam allowance or anything because I really didn't care too much. I didn't feel like having to trace outside of it, so I'm probably just gonna sew this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to iron it. I don't think I cannot sew it. I mean, I'll probably try not to sew it because not sew it, but I'll probably try not to iron it. I'll probably not try not to iron it. Yeah, because I really don't feel like setting that all up right now. So I'll get back with y'all when I end up like I guess seam ripping like the inseam of the jeans to open them up. All right, y'all, as you can see, we outside now. I was gonna do the inseam first, like measuring and all that, but I'm gonna be honest, I did not feel like doing that right now. So I was like, I'm gonna just do the distressing first. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I ain't gonna try to do too much yapping because it ain't late, but I'm trying to go inside for real. I ain't trying to be outside right now. So see y'all when I'm done. I went outside to try to do the distressing. It did not go as planned at all. I don't know if my Dremel tool is just or what, bro. I think that's the only answer for it, really. I barely got to get done with like two of the, what do you call it, patches I was trying to do. So that's a failed attempt. I guess it's a good thing I learned that now. Definitely won't be trying no other different methods to do it. If it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. I think I'm gonna just leave it at that. I feel like it might just be the material, since it's not like 100% like cotton. It's like mixed with something, since it's like stretchy. I cut out the flare panels and everything for like the inseam, so I'm about to just sew that together. But yeah, the distressing take one was a fail. Alright, y'all, finally done with the inseam flare, but there is something I forgot to do. I ain't put the pocket on, bro.
I really don't mess with this pocket for real. I wanted to put it on still, so I might try, but if it doesn't work out, then this next clip is not gonna be me. Actually, never mind, forget that. I'm gonna try to put this pocket on. If it's not working well, I'm gonna just try these on. Alright, y'all. I put the pocket on. I'm not gonna lie. This junk look terrible. I'll be real. I ain't even gonna sugarcoat nothing. Hey man, it's all about learning from your mistakes. You feel me? I haven't put these on yet for myself, so I don't really know what they look like. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm just really like praying these turned out how I wanted to. Because if they didn't, that'd be pretty tough. Because not a lot went right with this, but that's okay. It's the first time. It's not everything not supposed to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Running over course, but yeah, I'm gonna put these on with some shoes or something real quick and see how they looking.
I left with even more than I came with. Can't stretch it. I made M's off of words. I blessed them.
Not gonna lie, I don't have a mirror yet, so I really have no idea what that looks like me wearing them. So hopefully it looks better when I look at it on video, cause I didn't record it on my phone, so it's not like I could just watch it. Hey man, we gotta over exaggerate it. Spent about 10 hours on these jeans, man. You know, put my blood, sweat, and tears into this, but you know what I'm saying? Shoot, they gonna have to look as best as they can be. I don't know why I'm talking like this is the end of the video, because I am gonna try to dye them, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm not wearing blue jeans like that. I'm gonna just try to dye them. I know they're not gonna fully dye black. It's gonna be a darker color. So whatever color it is gonna be better than what it is now. When I'm gonna do that, no idea. If the next time I pick this camera back up, it's a week later, shoot, don't blame me. Blame Walmart for not having black or red dye. I don't think I seen it the last time. Anyways, yeah. We'll catch y'all when I see how to dye this for real. You know what I'm saying? It is the next day. I ended up getting some red dye. I didn't even know Publix had red dye. Yeah, I'm about to just try to dye them. I really don't know if it's gonna work or not, because last time I tried to use this dye, it did not work. I think it's because I don't have like a pot or nothing. I just got like some like little bin thing. Yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it works, man. If I'm keeping it a being with y'all, I think I messed up. It's whatever. It's not fully black, I don't think. It's dark enough. I mean, it look like it's like kind of two-tone, like one leg is darker than the other, so I'm gonna just say whatever. I learned for next time I actually do gotta mix it around. It's just I don't have like a pot, I have like a bin, as I said, so it's a little bit different. I ain't record none of the process because it was kind of a lot to do. Like I had to fill it up, hot water and stuff. Then I had to like, the reason I didn't stir it because I had to put like weights to make sure the clothes was like not floating. It's whatever. I put it in the washer now, so I guess I'm let y'all know when it's out of the dryer. Now try it on and see what it's looking like. Fingers crossed it turns out how I'm hoping it does. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we done with the jeans, man. Definitely the black dye did not make them black, as y'all can see. They is all types of colors for real. I feel like they would have looked way better with the distressing and everything, but it's straight, I guess, you know. You win some, you lose some. For the most part, these fire though. But since they're not really like one color, definitely not some jeans you could just wear like every day. You definitely have to like pick and choose when you want to wear these. I know I ain't finna wear these all the time if they not even one color. This joint a little bit out of my comfort zone, honestly. I made them, so I'm definitely gonna wear them. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Man, I hope everybody has a great night, rest of your day, whatever it is, or time it is when you're watching this video. Appreciate you for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.